The era of the entry-level compromise is officially dead. If you've ever bought a smaller luxury sedan and felt like you got the badge but not the brains, that chapter just closed. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLA isn't a cheaper S-Class wannabe. It's flagship tech wearing a compact body, and traditional luxury sedans are scrambling to catch up. Look at that shape first. Mercedes calls it a shark-nosed silhouette, built on the brand-new MMA platform engineered from the ground up for electric efficiency. The drag coefficient doesn't just compete with sports sedans, it embarrasses several of them, with every crease and hidden channel sculpted to let air slide off like water off glass. And the wild part is that flagship-level engineering you'd expect from an S-Class or EQS has been squeezed into a frame regular people can actually afford. Now feel this part, because it's the heart of the story. An 800-volt electrical architecture lets this car recover up to 248 miles of range in roughly 15 minutes at a fast charger. Pull off for a coffee, and you've clawed back nearly a quarter of your range before you're back in the seat. A silicon carbide inverter converts energy with less waste, and a clever 2-speed gearbox squeezes efficiency out of every kilowatt instead of burning it off as heat. Legacy competitors are still making owners plan road trips around 30 and 40-minute charging stops. That's the gap we're talking about. Step inside and the MBUX Unity interior takes over, anchored by a pillar-to-pillar superscreen running on Mercedes' new MB.OS software, rendering real-time 3D graphics with a fluidity older systems can't touch. The real magic, though, is a proactive AI assistant that learns your habits and adjusts temperature, lighting, even seat position before you say a word. No voice command needed, it just knows. And Mercedes ditched leather for sustainable materials like recycled paper composites and lab-grown silk, soft and premium, without a single animal product involved. That's what modern prestige looks like now. Here's where this stops feeling like a car and starts feeling like a new category. Drive Pilot brings genuine Level 3 autonomy into a compact sedan for the first time, allowing hands-off, eyes-off operation on mapped highways up to 60 miles per hour. Not just hands-off, eyes-off. Backing it up is a fusion of LiDAR and surround sensors, creating a 360-degree digital shield in dense urban traffic. And because the whole system runs on software-defined architecture, the car keeps learning and improving through over-the-air updates, meaning the CLA you own in 18 months drives smarter than the one you bought today. So where does that leave us? Aggressive styling that turns heads, 800-volt charging that kills range anxiety, an AI cockpit that anticipates you, and Level 3 autonomy trickling down from flagship territory into a segment that used to mean compromise. Purists who want a physical dial under their fingers might still lean toward European rivals for that tactile feel, and that's fair. But if you're asking whether the 2026 CLA justifies this new luxury price point, that argument is getting harder to make. The traditional gas-powered luxury sedan just got put on notice. Is this the new benchmark, or are you still holding out for something with more soul under the hood? Drop your take below.